Hormonal balance affects nearly every major function in the human body. Energy levels, metabolism, mood, sleep, concentration, immune response, and reproductive health. When hormones are properly regulated, the body operates efficiently and consistently. But even small imbalances can create widespread effects, leading to fatigue, anxiety, weight changes, poor sleep, or difficulty focusing. What makes hormones so important is that they act as the body's communication system. They coordinate signals between the brain, organs, and nervous system to maintain stability and performance. In many ways, hormonal health is foundational health, because when the body's internal chemistry is balanced, both physical and mental well-being are stronger, more resilient, and more sustainable. At Titan Medical Center, we care about your well-being and quality of life. That's why we want to help you feel, look, and perform your absolute best every day.